AI is on autopilot. We are now in the era of AI, artificial intelligence. Autopilot in the sense that you don't need to do anything. You are busy with other things you're doing. Listen, we are no longer babies. Okay, we are no longer babies. I can tell you, the real wealth you have is the money that system is giving you. What are the systems? AI, copy trading, real estate. You have real estate. You have investment somewhere that can give you money even when you're sick. That is the real wealth. The real money is not the money you are making from manual. I'm a manual trader, but you hardly see me talk about it because I do that privately, because that's not what decides my financial freedom. Yes, you know how to chart, watch your chart, go trade gold, place. Let me tell you, the day you'll be sick, that's the day you know that you are poor. Let me tell you, when you are sick and money is not coming, that's when you know you are helpless. You see somebody that has a big shop, you will think your father used to be rich. I'm sure when you were growing, some of us, when we were growing up, we thought our parents were rich because they had shops. Eh? Now, when somebody is sick, that shop will start going down. You know why? That shop, you will no longer go to take care of that shop. That shop will now be in the hand of other people you don't even know. Sometimes I pity all these even receipt you have to go and produce another one. So many things happen. But if you are in online business, it's difficult for anybody to steal your money because you are in charge. So what am I trying to say? This technology is on autopilot. Like this is I don't need to do anything. It can happen like this for the next 10 years. Except there is challenge, there is maybe there are losses, or or I withdraw my money or something. But if I leave it like this, it's like some of us are on December challenge. What is December challenge? We don't want to touch our trade in December. We just want it to ride. That is autopilot, and that is the real money. Because money you are making on autopilot, $1 you are making is more important than $100 you are trying to make by your own power, by your own emotions. The rich are the people who make money when they are sleeping. So artificial intelligence helps you to make money when you're sleeping. Artificial intelligence helps you to travel for holidays, and you are making money even when you are in church praying and singing. You are praying and you are sleeping, you are making money. That is the real wealth. And I'm sure I'm talking to somebody right now. So don't think you are real money is that one you're making from your shop every day, that one you're making from your salary. The day you have sickness, or God forbid, you have a challenge, you know that they will not pay that salary again. Your office will replace you immediately. They will replace you. The highest they can do is to help you in hospital bills, and you face the reality of life. So now that all of us are healthy, we better start building what we call system money. System money is money that comes to you without your personal efforts. Without your personal effort, autopilot. So the marketing bonuses are amazing. If you're a notable broker, you can compound. For instance, if data is making profit, it's adding the profit to your capital. So your capital is increasing and it's trading with the capital available. Okay. So as I end this section for questions and answers, I want to beg you to know that every trading online involves risk. As I said in the beginning, if you are not a risk taker, don't do business. Go and look for salary job. In fact, salary is the highest risk you can take to depend on salary. Or I always tell my people, if you think that risk taking is too expensive, try poverty. Poverty is the highest risk anybody can take. So, guys, my name is Emeka Asogwa, and I was in last government where I served for 8 years as SSA to the governor of Enugu State on empowerment. We run Wisdom Foundation, and our vision is to keep using valued orientation and digital entrepreneurship to empower the youth and women. That's what we are doing. So if you have a question, you can ask now. Of course, if you register, AI account will be going on. Why you can create extra MT4 account or MT5 account for your manual trading. We'll guide you for that. Remember, for being a member, it's easy to guide you because you are a member. If you're not a member, we will not reply you because you are not a member. But if you are a member, your other member leaders in the team will guide you how to start. Okay? So you can do manual and AI at the same time on one account, the same account. Because we will add you to the signal group where you will get signals.
Thank you so much, Asoba.
Good morning.
And what you really said, yeah, thank you. Good morning, my good friend. And what you really said is in line, is in sync with the vision of every individual who want to grow and live a life the way life is supposed to be lived. I totally enjoy. You are very resourceful, very, very resourceful. In fact, I learned much. Then, when it comes to, I want to, from what you said now, I got some confidence that away from what you normally see around, that this has been in existence. So no more, the trust is there that you can't put your money, wake up tomorrow, they say it's no longer there, your money has gone. Why this is part of things we're discussing. But this Litefinance AI of a team has come to be, has been tested and trusted as something that cannot just work, don't wake up tomorrow, they say the thing no click again. Is it embedded in blockchain? That's one question. Is it embedded in blockchain? And secondly, can one have 1, 2, 3 accounts? And or you advise to keep increasing, or can you be opening? For example, a person can go and bring $10,000, put it. Before you know, I said no, they shouldn't have done this. Why don't you invest small? I just want to ask this question.
Okay, now you see, this is not investment. This is trading, and it's on a broker. You know, broker is not about blockchain. Blockchain is when you're talking about crypto. Now, this is a Forex broker where crypto is also traded. So the everything happening is happening on a broker called Litefinance. Okay. Now, on the part of whether you can lose money, that's why we teach about risk management and risk taking. Risk taking means that as long as you are a trader, the market can go bad against you. But risk management means you can set your account in a way that even if market goes bad, there is a level you can lose. For instance, if I'm trading with $10,000, I can set my maximum loss at 50%. I can say, okay, if anything goes wrong with markets or trade and I lose half of my money, please let it stop so that I will know that market is bad. So you are the one to choose it, set it yourself when you are setting up your account because nobody is doing it for you. Nobody is managing it for you. AI is just a technology that is trading on autopilot. You are the one connecting your account to AI. Now, what, again, a major part of risk management is your loss size. There are people who are greedy. They have just $200, $100, and they will go and set their loss size at 0.05, 0.1. Remember, 0.1 in Forex is standard for $1,000. 0.07 is standard for 700. 0.05 is standard for 500. 0.1 is standard for 100. Now, anybody trading Forex with $50 is underfunded. Anybody in the market who is trading Forex with $50 already knows that he's taking higher risk, because $50 has no place officially, because the smallest loss size is 0.01, which is for $100. So if I'm trading with $50, I am telling myself that I am underfunding my account because I don't have money. I just want to take the, So I always encourage people to know that this is not investment where you put money for somebody to take care of you. No, there is nobody taking care of your money except that your money is under your own account on a broker, because you can remove it, but you can lose money, because AI can lose money. But you can set your account in a way that, for me, I recommend 50%. I recommend 50% that anytime I lose up to 50%, like this account is what equity now? 2,000. This account is 2,000. Okay? And Emmanuel, please, is my screen showing now? Okay, this account is 2,000, for instance, $2,000, for instance. Okay? Now, look at the drawdown is just, can you see, some of you are traders, you can see that this is amazing. This is amazing. Look at the drawdown. Now, now, if I want to set this account, I will set 1,000 as my maximum loss. That is, that the highest risk I want to take is that if I lose half of this 2,000, that the AI should stop, so that I know that there is danger. So, because if I lose $1,000 on a trade, I will know that there is danger. I will now decide whether to continue the risk or to stop. Because nobody can assure you that in trading you cannot lose money, as long as it's genuine. But the difference between losing money in genuine trading is that losing is not scamming here. Losing is because of the market situation, which is normal. Every trader knows that he can lose money. But in Ponzi schemes, you are scammed. There is different. If you lose money here now, nobody has scammed you, because even the AI didn't collect your money, because it's only lost money. But if you put money on investments, somebody has carried your money somewhere, which is scamming. So it is this scamming we are fighting, not losing, because we know that every businessman is a risk taker. Everybody can lose money in business, but we don't want to be scammed. So, because you see, digital education is very important, so that our people can know that business is risk-taking. And those who are not ready to take risk in business should not do business. That way, you raise mature standard people who can actually succeed in the business first. So that is what I can say about it. Professionally, we always tell people that as you're taking risk here, you should be able to manage your risk, mostly the way you use your loss size. And wow, can you see? Can you see what is going on now? Can you see what is going on now? So this is, some people, again, when they see profit, they will go and close it themselves. But what if you close? Emmanuel, let me not forget it. You please listen to this so that I can teach others this. Look at, some people are emotionally driven. Once they see profit on the background of the trade like this, they will go and take the profit and leave the one in negative. It's dangerous. What this AI does is that AI closes everything together, whether the negative and positive. But it will do that when the profit is more than the losses. That is what trading means. How do you know that? That's on top, on the drawdown area. From being negative, it will turn to positive. When it is positive, you know that if you close all these trades, what will happen? You have made profits. You have not made losses, because the profits are more than the losses. So that will tell you that in trading, there will always be losses, there will always be profit. But when losses are more than the profit, that's when you say you have lost money. When profits are more than the losses, you are successful. Okay? So now we can say that this account is healthy, because the profit is more than the loss. Look at the profit now. On top here, we have 10, 11. Okay? That means even if we close all these trades now, this account has succeeded today by making $10.
Check out this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.